English speaking course. Hello everyone, welcome to English speaking course. In this video, we will give you some exercises to practice your listening skills. Watch until the end and comment your results. Exercise 1. Fill in the blank. In this exercise, you'll see sentences with missing words. Your challenge is to fill in these blanks with the appropriate word. Oh, honey, look at those dogs. Aren't they adorable? They really are. That's why I love coming to this park. Hey, what do you think about getting a dog ourselves? A dog would definitely be a big commitment. What would it take for us to have a dog? It would require a lot of changes in our lifestyle. Tell me more. What are you thinking about? Well, first, we'd need to consider our finances. I'm all ears. Raising a dog can get expensive, you know. What kind of expenses are we talking about? Food and basic supplies. Exactly. Plus, dogs will need vaccinations along with their normal vet visits. I think I could manage those costs. Finances are just one part. We also need to think about our living situation. What do you mean? We must make sure we have enough space for a dog. Our apartment isn't huge, but we could definitely make it work. Like how? Like getting a medium-sized dog with moderate exercise needs. Sounds rational, but let's not forget about the time commitment. What about that? Dogs need to be walked, fed, and played with every day. Yeah, I know. Are we prepared for that kind of responsibility? Well, we both have pretty flexible schedules. We could definitely share the dog care duties. It sounds like you've been putting some thought into this already. Maybe a little. Well, I think we can stop by a shelter this weekend. Really? So you're on board with getting a dog? Well, I don't see why not if we agree on everything. Oh, I can't wait. Exercise 2. Choose the best answer. First, you need to read the questions beforehand. Then, listen to the conversation carefully and try to find the information for the answers. Oh my gosh, Jay, look at him. Whoa there, little fella. Easy on the zoomies. He's so adorable. See how he wants to cuddle? This is Max, a real sweetheart. Loves walks and belly rubs. Hi, Max. Nice to meet you. May I know more about his history? We found him searching for scraps in a dumpster, a 2-year-old stray all alone. Aw, poor Max. And Max has been here for about 6 months. Why is that? He's a bit energetic, so some people haven't been sure about adopting him. Hey, Laura, how about we give Max a forever home? You think so? Why not? He sounds perfect for 2 energetic souls like us, right? Oh, Jay, that would be amazing. I'm so glad you found your perfect furry friend. Mia, could you walk us through the adoption process? Certainly. So, it includes some paperwork and an adoption fee. An adoption fee? How much is it? It's actually quite reasonable, and it covers all of Max's vet care before he came here. So that means he's already vaccinated. Yes, the vet care includes vaccinations, neutering, and microchipping. That's good to know. We definitely want to make sure he's healthy. We also offer some post-adoption support, just in case you have any questions later on. That's fantastic. Thank you so much, Mia. Oh, I almost forgot to mention the adoption application. What's that? It just asks some basic questions to ensure Max is a good fit for your home. Sounds good. We're really excited to get started. Exercise 3. Select the missing word. Listen carefully to the conversation and choose the correct word. Laura, Max knocked over your vase. It shattered into pieces. Oh no, don't tell me it's the purple one. I'm so sorry, honey, but yes, it's the purple one. No way. That was a gift from my grandma. Honey, Max is a really energetic dog. So, maybe it would be better if you hadn't left the precious vase out in the open. Ugh, you're right. It completely slipped my mind with all the commotion about the neighbor's complaint. What complaint? They're upset about Max's barking. He's been barking excessively late at night lately. Oh yeah, that too. I thought his recent potty accidents were the worst of it. Jay, we need to do something before the landlord kicks us out. How about a dog training class? You know a place? People at the dog park recommended a place just 2 blocks away. So that means it's nearby. The tuition's reasonable too. Honestly, I'd pay anything for him to be well behaved. There's just one catch. Dog parents are required to attend the classes as well. Whoa, really? Apparently, they want to make sure we're both on the same page when it comes to training Max. I don't mind going. Yeah, me neither. I don't want us to give up on him. You're right. We need to be more patient. All right, let's find a day that works for both of us and Max. Hope Max will make some good furry buddies there. I'm pretty sure you will make a lot of friends. Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.